The setup is so weird in here. Usually I have it like in a specific place, but my tripod is broken right now, so we're working with what we're working with. I got my camera sitting on a box right now, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It has no part in it, so everything has to be fully customized. I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on my wig head, and I'm going to be using the Clairol bleach powder and then 30 volume developer, and I'm going to go ahead and use a wooden spoon to apply the bleach to my knots. I made it a really thick consistency so it wouldn't go through and bleach the hair and over process it, but I kind of did that anyway. I don't know how. So it's a little over processed and a little brassy at the roots, but I mean, that's fine. I'm gonna fix it later. So now I'm making my part in my wig, and I'm going to use the bed head smoothing cream to smooth that out before I pluck the part. I didn't want to put mousse on this hair because I really didn't want to weigh it down or anything, because it is straight hair, not curly hair, which is what I usually use. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck the part like I normally would. Then I'm going to take a mascara and I'm going to cover up some of the bleach parts on the baby hairs. Specifically on the baby hairs, because when I do the roots of the part, I can just put eyeshadow on it like I did later on in the day. So as you can see, I've cut my baby hairs. Now I'm going to be taking this old curling iron that I have, and I'm going to be using that to flatten down the hair. It does stick up a little bit because it's not a customized or pre-plucked wig, so I'm going to go ahead and take that just so I can flatten it out. I am doing this while it's wet. I feel like it gets a flatter look when it is wet versus when I try to do it when it's dry, and I don't have a hot comb, so we're just going to work with what we got. So now I'm cutting the lace, and like it says in the title, this is HD lace, so you can barely see the lace on the wig head. Like, this lace is really undetectable, and I actually really like it. Also, a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I actually bought this wig myself for my birthday, so it's not like I'm saying this is like good lace just because somebody gave me this wig. Like, I actually think this is good lace. So as you can see, it's really smooth. Like, it really blends into your skin, almost like scalp. Alright, y'all, so this is my hair the next day. Last night when I did it, I didn't pluck the part as much as I should have, and I also added a little powder to it because I feel like it was a little too brassy. So I went ahead and I added some of the Fit Me to my part, and then curled it a little bit after it dried. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video.